stay together forever. I love you and you love me, but we can't stay together forever.
What is love? If you're not here, what is love? If you have to leave, we tried and it worked, and I don't want to stop. It's sweet, and I really want it more. Mami, olólùfẹ́ tí mami don't go. Hold my hand and let us try. Mami, olólùfẹ́ tí mami don't go. Hold my hand and let us try.
I love you and you love me, but we can't stay together forever. I love you and you love me, but we can't stay together forever.
Well, enough of that for that. Hi people.
Hello.
How you doing? It's nice to see you. Look at those beautiful faces watching us. Can you see them? Just calm down. Anyways, as you know now, I'm Otega, your Biola. Hope you guys are having fun anyways. You know, we were having fun. Let's focus on
You don't tell about me, I'm not important to this
It's you that not talk. When we ask him to talk, what did he do? He's doing like this.
Okay, hello, my name is Peter and I play Joe.
Play Joe.
Let's write it. I play Joe. Okay,
anyways,
let's go.
Okay, today we're going to do something different, you know. But first of all, I hope you enjoyed the song that played just before you saw us. That is a song that's going to be playing in one of the next episodes in Brothers, and it was sung by I and Toby Igwena, but that's Grace, your favorite Grace. You know, now me and that girl like this. I don't know why people are saying we should know. You understand? What do you think now?
Don't mind you, man. Today we are going to be reviewing some of our favorite episodes on Ballers, and then we're going to be talking about all the silly things this young man has been doing and all the amazing stuff we're about to do.
I ask you a simple question. Me and Grace, what do you see? Like, you get?
What have you not ready?
If I'm not ready.
What have you not serious? But don't worry, episode 8 is coming.
This one is an hater. Tiger people, that's what they always do.
Anyway, we will show you some of our favorite scenes, and please come along with us and enjoy yourself.
Yep. I think first of all we should start from episode 1. Yeah, from the Genesis.
that music part's like dope.
That music part, yeah. You guys have had a lot of people sing in the Ballers.
Yeah, you know it's very possible to mistake Ballers for like a musical of some sort.
Yeah. You know, Ballers includes, so you don't get it twisted. Ballers is love, romance, music. You understand? So you can't get enough. Abi, you won't get enough.
And very lovely music.
We'll keep giving you
very lovely music.
Song.
Yeah.
Woo! This was she sing. When we launched it. Baby, we don't stop loving you. I need your love, oh. I need your love, oh. We don't stop loving me. If you come out to I need your love, oh. Baby, I need your love, oh.
Leave me alone, boy. Leave me alone, boy.
I know it's not, but it's crazy.
But I want you to go, boy. Leave me alone, boy.
Yeah,
It's about the song.
I like the song. The song is really dope.
Broke my heart, you can't deny, but I want you to go, boy.
Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this.
Okay, now let's just move forward.
Yeah.
Let's move forward.
Song is dope.
Let's move forward. Oh, this was where
Yes.
introduction scene.
I think this is the first time you appeared.
Yeah,
in
first
the
time I
episode.
appeared on screen. That was where
episode.
Vic started to massacre. Let's watch it.
I trust you.
Hi.
Wait, are you not happy to see me?
Why should I be happy to see you? Didn't we have agreement?
Wait, but for how long are we going to cling to this your childish mentality? Forever?
Let me help you to rephrase the choice of your words when you say childish. You mean to say foolish?
Oh, cut the crap. I didn't call you foolish.
Childish, foolish, what's the difference?
Babe, try to see this from my own perspective. For 4 years now, I've left you to focus on your studies. And now that I'm a graduate, I think we should...
Do what? Get married? For heaven's sake, is that the only thing that you ever care about? Why are you so selfish? Get married, get married, get married. If you are done with your studies, am I done with mine?
Babe, try to understand me. At least for the sake of our love, let's get this relationship really started. Now that you're in your final year, a formal introduction between our families wouldn't be a bad idea. And it won't affect your studies. And to make things work, I have enrolled my master's program to this your school.
You did what? You enrolled in my school without even consulting me first.
I thought...
You are so unbelievable.
I thought it was going to help us plan our relationship better together. Please try and understand me.
Let me tell you something. I think I'm still going to be holding on to my childish mentality. I don't need you in my life right now. You know why? Because I do not need any distractions for my studies. And what that means is, as long as you are in this school, please know that you are a total stranger to me. And I will really appreciate it if you can act like we've never met before or had any affair.
Come on, try and understand me. Come.
Please, don't mind anything.
But.
Said right now. I'll talk to her.
I think this is where I started having my problem with Biola. With Biola, like he assumed, or we thought that he liked her enough to want to marry her at this point. But like in the next 3 scenes, 1 or 2 problems, the thing started wavering 1 or 2 episodes later. So what exactly was the problem?
I don't understand what you are saying. No. You are not even pitying the guy. Immediately we finish this and you say this. So you didn't see that Vic did something that is very terrible in this.
No. I mean, I'm looking like we've seen what happened for looking forward.
Yeah.
You understand? So after watching this scene, I'm saying, okay, this guy likes this girl, even wants to move to her school. And the next scene I'm seeing, his love is already wavering.
This is the problem. He tried to do all this. Imagine from the first time she saw him, your boyfriend, what are you supposed to do? Your boyfriend. It's your boyfriend.
Yes.
So she already made it seem like she wasn't interested any longer.
So like at this point was a one-way relationship.
I don't know. I can't tell. Vic here looks like a very stubborn person, arrogant, disrespectful. Like she did everything in front of her friend. She saw her boyfriend and she could not even say hello. He said, "What are you doing here?"
4 episodes later, she was begging.
Okay. You know, I've been thinking of something.
Okay.
I feel she was cheating before the guy came. Though we didn't see that part in this before.
Deep.
That's another thing we didn't see.
Yes.
And it must have been like that. Because
maybe the relationship got spoiled, the other guy, and now she wants to come back.
I don't even know. Because when you see your boyfriend, from that point, what do you want? But why now? It's not good though.
She's cheating. Accusation has been leveled.
Let's move to another scene.
Another scene.
Four years. I can't believe it's 4 years already. It feels just like yesterday when I was trying to use up all the strategies in the 48 laws of power just to get you. Like you, not you.
Come on. Why are you making it look like it was that difficult to get me?
But it was, really.
I don't think so.
Oh, it was.
I don't think so.
But forget it. I really don't want to talk about that right now.
No. I want to talk about it. We should talk about it. And it's necessary that we talk about it. Biola, I know you love me, like, yeah, sure. Yeah. And of course I love you too. But it's just my parents. Like, they won't just allow me to do anything else aside my education. Like, they won't.
Well, I understand. But your parents need to know that your marriage is as important as your education. After all, you're going to have to get married eventually.
Well, yeah, sure.
Yeah, so you gotta think about that too.
Trust me. I know we'll be fine.
I know. All right, come here. She said she knows they will be fine.
They'll be fine.
She's like, cool.
She didn't really give an affirmative answer to that marriage, but maybe that was where it started crumbling.
Somebody has to answer for that too.
Latif had this.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
we need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 Naira and above, and the account number would be right here on the screen. Please help us, join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
and you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballers the Series, Ballers with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.
How you doing?
Good.
So, the contract. Eja Bakon. Ejani. Look at me. It's fine. Even though we don't have the contract, we'll still have each other. So we can still manage.
No. You're not gonna manage. Because I have the contract.
No way! You're so silly. So why did you lie?
This is fair.
Look at you. I love you.
So, let's eat now.
You know what? No. I think I might add another option to that.
Tell me.
So Wilson, do you want that or this?
Which one?
You better answer quickly. I'm trying to go off the table.
I will.
Is it that? You eat the food first, so you have energy. Energy is needed.
You're such a bad boy. I know.
Right.
Why do you like doing that? Wait. That's my phone. Give me a second.
No, come on, don't ruin this mood.
Please. The call might be important. Please. I love you. Thank
too.
you. I'll meet
A
you.
second, right?
Yes, I hear you.
Good.
Joseph, listen to me and listen very well, because this will be the last conversation I'll ever have. I am married and we can never have anything to do together again. You are my past. And you need to get that into your thick skull. The next time you call me or try to talk to me, I will find you and I will arrest you.
Yeah.
Okay.
That seemed like an almost perfect relationship.
Yeah, they were cool. Like I don't know how the husband, but since we were watching other scenes, I think it's because he was cheating. He was also looking for something to tie on Grace, if you understand. Because this part where she picked this call, I felt she should have related it to her husband.
If she had a clean heart, like
yes.
this.
Okay, now the guy, according to the story, the guy came and he had an issue in the past and he couldn't see her and all that kind of stuff. So when he came, he tried to amend things with her. But since he's someone that she didn't see for a very long time, she's supposed to be able to tell this her husband that there is one of her ex that is trying to get back to her since she has a plan. So this man would understand, and even at that point where that thing happened, he would be able to maybe reduce the blame on Grace.
Okay. It seems like an almost perfect relationship, and sometimes ladies don't want their past to affect their present in any way. They don't want to have anything. As I see some people, there's some people who are actually still cool with their exes. They still keep their exes' numbers. But there's some people, once they break up, they're deleting your number, they are blocking you. So let's just say she had her ex. The ending was not so.
But for me, I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know. Me, I think I can have my exes around as friends. I don't know. I don't know.
For me, I think Grace, she knows in her blood.
But seriously,
yeah, she knows in her blood.
From that part, she did like this.
Like she does.
Do you want to eat this or eat that? I know you guys understand what I'm talking about.
Plenty she know.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
We need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 naira and above, and the account number will be right here on the screen. Please help us. Join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
and you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballers the Series, Ballers with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.
Let's see this other scene.
Let's see the program.
Yeah. This is.
Treat like that before.
Oh.
Oh man.
Let's see Ibile and
Not always. At least I'm not.
What did you say before? Are you not a man?
Did you just listen to yourself? The way you sounded right now feels you have been betrayed before.
Yo, my man, what's up? Hi.
No, I haven't.
Miriam, sorry.
Okay.
Can we meet at the arcade later tonight?
Okay.
I have to see this guy and it's very, very important. We need to talk right now.
No problem. See you at the arcade.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Finance. Yo.
How
you doing?
What's happening out there? Hey, later, yeah? What's up?
Finest. I want to discuss something with you and it's very, very important.
Okay, now, so what's up?
I heard a rumor about a new recruitment. Recruitment of my boys under a new agent.
And this is confusing. Recruitment. New agent. I don't understand, man. What's up?
Stop pretending to me. You are helping some boys float a show at the end of this session. And I know you are behind it. You are romancing my talent under a new agent.
Okay, so now you know. What's the big deal about it?
Sheyi, are you out of your mind or something? You are my talent manager for heaven's sake. And you still have the guts to stab me in the back.
Man, stab you in the back, you say? I did you know backstabbing shit, brother. I did what I had to do to survive.
Backstabbing for people.
Moving on.
Yeah.
Has to survive.
Over the years that I've been carrying this title, talent manager, what have I been able to do with it? Tell me exactly what have been my rewards. Not pain. Person just did. See, man, I'm not here for nothing, but for something. And if you can't give me that, I have to find it also.
You move.
What's man could do? Man, that's
Okay.
Take care, man.
Okay. There are three things I want to examine on this scene. First of all, Ibile with Miriam. You guys remember that Miriam, that was where we ended it now. Miriam having serious issues. Now, for me, I found out that Ibile already liked Miriam right from the onset. So, and he really do like for him to go ahead to Miriam's house and stand in as the person who man, that's like most guys can't do that. And secondly, I want to examine Sheyi. Now Sheyi in connection with Kafi and Sheyi in connection with Ibile. Now, this is where Sheyi had messed up with Ibile. So Kafi's issue later was just like a boost for him to want to deal with Sheyi. Sheyi has already messed up right from here. And I saw something again when Sheyi, and if you examine when Sheyi and Kafi approached Ibile, he just said, "See you later" to Kafi. It seems like he had been playing this girl from the onset. All this is crocodile tears. I don't know.
Sheyi is arguably one of the most talked about characters in this show, and most of the time he's been talked about because of his obsession for his growth. You know, his obsession for his growth. He's ready to slay anybody. It's a bad thing because of he's not loyal. But the good part is that we can actually see a growth. I mean, this young guy, from just his mouth and himself, he was able to get a good record deal. He got a car, and he got some connections. That is the good part. But on the other side, he's slaying a lot of people around him.
But basically, let's look at this thing. When you hurt other people to move forward, then that your progress is actually not valid.
But we move.
This Tiger.
Yes, Tigers also have a problem with not just Sheyi but the entire Ballers crew, because I think if you listen well, you will know that Tiger is like another label. Tigers are another label who are competing with the Ballers and want to bring, because the Ballers already have a talent advantage. I think they have some of the best singers and other performers. But the Tigers, apart from the fact that they want to bring the Ballers down, they also need to create a confusion in the Ballers in such a way that they will not be able to rise again or work together.
And so we end it here. One thing I have to bring out is, if you're a backstabbing human being in your own organization, you open them up to different problems. Because Sheyi being like that opened the Ballers out. Like, it opened up the Ballers so that the Tigers can infiltrate. Because they infiltrated the Ballers through Sheyi. He started misbehaving up and down. He even messed up Ibile. So
to know it, but how do you know someone who backstabs? Like, do you know, like, in your head, if you know anyone in your past or anybody in your life that used to backstab, like, what are the characteristics they have?
You know,
behavioral characteristics.
You really can't tell. You can't tell. Even Ibile did not know until he told him head on that, yes, I did it. Do you understand? So you don't know people like that. They just come and they do whatever they like, and they are all nice and they look good.
Yes, he's always nice. If Sheyi is always very nice.
Very nice to
very nice.
Saying
he's very good with words. Very good with words.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
we need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 Naira and above, and the account number will be right here on the screen. Please help us. Join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
And you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballers the Series, Ballers with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you, and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.
I hope you're not trying to date me, because I have a boyfriend.
You know, it would actually be foolish of me to think that a beautiful and classy girl like you won't have a boyfriend. But on the other end, this boyfriend of yours, is he your lover? I mean, is he your soulmate? Sacred souls like yourself need absolute love and care, and nothing short of that. Look, I'm not here to tell you who to be with and who not to be with, but I think you deserve something better.
Something like
Someone rather, someone better, someone like me.
Talk about what the episode happened there. From the phone call to
You deserve. The ball is in your court.
Okay.
He asked something. He said, "This is your boyfriend. Is he your lover? Is it possible for your boyfriend not to be your lover?"
Well, I think it's true. You know, he was good with words and he was quite intelligent because so many people are in a relationship where they're not functioning together. It is one person that is in the relationship.
It's a one-sided relationship.
So I think she felt she was in that kind of relationship. Why did she pick the call?
Why did she pick the call?
It's either that or she too, she was, you know.
She was too smooth.
She is fine.
If she was too smooth. Shout out to Shout out to him. It was good with words. And shout out to Bukumi. Bukumi Oluwashino. Thank you for being a part of Bolas. Also,
I want to examine this particular scene where.
What? Are you okay? Hey, are you fine? Sorry. Hello, Miriam. Why are you leaving like we didn't come here together?
I checked for you inside, but you were not there.
Oh, I was here making a call.
Okay.
So, what's up with your cold? Miriam.
Yeah.
Your cold. What's up with your cold?
It's
malaria.
Yeah. It's malaria.
Are you sure? So, where are the drugs they gave you?
Drugs. I told them that I had some malaria drugs in the hostel.
Are you sure?
Yes. See, Cafe, I'll see you later. I have to go use the drugs now. Bye.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
I will.
I read the tune.
Okay. This girl she didn't seem like someone that actually used to do a lot of nonsense like that. Like, she just got pregnant from nowhere. We didn't even know how.
I think later in episode 7, if you check episode 7, I think they later reviewed who got her pregnant.
Yeah.
I think she went to a guy's place, something happened, and she got pregnant. Her and her ex or something like that.
But basically, you know, when Ibile came, first of all, when Ibile said, when she sang a song in episode 1. Ibile said it's like she's been heartbroken before.
Yes.
So probably she had gotten the stuff from there already. I don't know.
His name is Femi. And we used to love each other. On this fateful day, he asked me to come to his house, which I gladly obliged. On getting there, he offered me a drink, which I refused. But he insisted. Then I collected it. It was an alcoholic wine. All of a sudden, I discovered I was feeling tipsy. Before I could realize what was going on, I discovered something had gone down. I realized I wasn't myself.
So, does that mean he raped you?
No, he didn't.
Because we were both tipsy.
So it was a mutual consent. So what now? What are you going to do?
Ibile, you're the only one that can help me at this point.
Help?
Yes.
How?
And then Ibile went there. But shouldn't she have told Ibile that, see, yo?
But she didn't know she was pregnant then.
Oh.
You know, the stuff happened and she thought it just went like that. Until now that she did the test and it's now pregnant.
But Ibile tried,
You tried out.
Really try. Because I don't think many guys will be able to accept that age or that.
And how notorious Ibile seems, he still had to do something like that. Somebody that wants to mess she up. I thought he was just going to tell her to go to hell because he had not even had anything to do with her yet.
And her family. Her family is they are difficult. They are difficult. Especially her father.
Yeah.
Her father insisted that no, she's not Muslim. And that issue, that problem is many people still face it today. Many people still face the religious difference in marriage. I just don't know how they're going to resolve.
I don't know what Ibile was trying to do. Now, if he had stood in and was accepted for the pregnancy, would he have married?
They cannot marry. Forget it.
So what was he trying to do? Was he just trying to help her to cover up
her front, put a front for it? But I don't think they cannot marry.
Because I got to think about it that if the father accepted him, was he going to marry Miriam with the pregnancy and just move on, or he just wanted to stand in for her? So after that thing is settled, he can just take his leave.
And for me, this ex thing, I think if you are with your ex, you shouldn't go back for any reason. If the problem with Grace and her husband was also about this ex thing, so I just feel, guys, if you have something with your ex, I don't know, don't make it sexual in any way. It will never turn good.
Yeah.
It will never turn good.
I think you should even avoid meeting up with them in closed places. Because that is
I don't grip you.
But anyhow, sir, it's been lovely being with you people. Just these few minutes we've been able to share with you has been enjoyable. I'm bringing back memories in Ballers with me, Biola, Otenga, and
Joe. You boy Joe.
What is your real name?
Wanguma Peter.
His name is Wanguma Peter, and it was lovely being with you guys. You guys don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Very, very important. Now, before new series of the Ballers will be dropping, we have to make it to 50k subscribers on YouTube 10k on Instagram. You guys can do it now. Share the Ballers. Tell somebody about the Ballers. Let them know that something is happening. We are bringing more spicy stuff to the screen.
More characters.
But if you guys don't make it worth it,
more interesting story.
Bring it.
Let's see whether Ibile will marry Miriam
or marry Biola.
Ibile wants to marry Biola.
Alright. Now you guys don't forget, we just have 7k more to get to 50k and 7k more to get to 10k on Instagram.
Go and subscribe.
Yes, you are watching this and you have not clicked on subscribe.
Let me try it then.
Try it.
You have to go and subscribe now. Oh, I shook you something your eye.
Is that how to threaten somebody?
Threaten them.
Let me threaten you.
Yeah.
Please. Please subscribe. Yeah, thank you very much.
Please, thank you very much.
God bless you.
See you
guys there
on next episode.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
we need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 naira and above, and the account number would be right here on the screen. Please help us. Join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
And you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballers the Series, Ballers with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you, and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
This information is about the
Ballers. We really want to release the next episode, but
we've been given a task to the entire cast and crew, and also to you, our lovers.
We need all of you to please help us reach 50k subscribers on YouTube and 10k subscribers on Instagram.
We can do it. You can do it. Together, I say we can. Seriously.
Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody.
And if you have subscribed and you are a follower on IG, please share it to your friends and family.
The Ballers the Series on Instagram and Rare TV on YouTube.
Thank you for watching Ballers. Thank you for enjoying the series.
Help us, support us.
Thank you. God bless you.